Hey guys, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you this very classy bridal look for Indian reception. It gets done with minimal effort but still looks so beautiful. If you're new to my channel and if you've never heard of me or seen me, my name is Smitha and I post videos related to beauty as well as skincare on every Tuesdays and Thursdays and sometimes on Sundays. So you won't be disappointed. Please take a moment to subscribe, and without further ado, let's get this started. I always like to start with my eyebrows. To fill in my brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro Pomade in dark brown. I'm going to use this angled brush to fill in the sparse areas first. And then I'm going to clean up the borders of my eyebrows using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige, and the brush that I'm using is the e.l.f. concealer brush. I'm also going to use this concealer as a base on my eyelid to even out the skin tone, and then I'm going to set it with the Artistry loose powder before the concealer starts settling in those fine lines and creasing. I'm quickly going to attach some scotch tape to the sides of my eyes just so I get those sharp edges. From the Tartist Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, I'm taking Edgy, and this is going to be my transition color. Because I'm building a halo eye, I'm going to be using this in the outer and inner corners and then joining the two corners through the crease using the Sigma E40 blending brush. Next, I'm taking Vamp and I'm going to be repeating the previous step using a smaller blending brush to intensify the color in the outer and inner corners as well as the crease. I'm taking a larger blending brush to blend this color in with the transition color just so there's no sharp edges. Next, I'm going to be applying Glam right in the center of my lid using my finger, and then I'm going to blend out the edges using a flat fluffy brush. To this, I'm going to be applying some metallic glitter from NYX in Style Star. I'm going to be mixing this with the NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium, and then with a flat brush, I will be applying this on top of my lids. To fill in my pores and smooth out my skin, I'm going to be using the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. To neutralize all the darkness that I have on my face, like dark circles or dark patches, I'm going to be color correcting using the e.l.f. Orange Crayon. I'm going to blend it out with my finger and then set it with the Artistry loose powder. That way it's not going to mix with the foundation that's coming up next. For foundation, today I'm going to be using the Smashbox Liquid Halo in number 5, and I'm going to be applying this with a damp beauty sponge from Studio 35. To highlight the high planes and brighten up my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in pure beige, nothing new there. I'm going to blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I'm going to bake it with more loose powder while I finish up my eye makeup. Back to my eye makeup. First I'm taking Drama and I'm going to smoke this out in my lower lash line using a pencil brush. I'm going to be applying Vamp in the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line. Next, I'm taking Glam to highlight my brow bones as well as inner corners, and then I'm going to be tight lining my waterline using the Jordana eye pencil in black. For eyeliner, I'm using my current favorite. This is the Italia Deluxe Perfect Waterproof Eyeliner in black. The only thing I dislike about this is the applicator because it's very stiff. So instead, I'm going to be applying it with this really soft, thin artist painting brush that I got from a local craft store. Next, I'm taking Vamp and applying it very close to my waterline in my lower lash line using a definer brush. Now I'm going to be dusting off all the excess powder and prepping my lashes for the falsies by curling it and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using is the Mega Length Mascara from Wet n Wild. And for lashes, I'm using Harjot lashes in Bossy. To set my base, I'm using the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder in Warm Beige. To add some structure and dimension, I'm going to be using this shade from the iconic Lights and Contour palette to contour my face. And for blush, I'm going with Honest from the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Blush Book. For that beautiful glow, I'm going to be using the Milani Strobe Light Highlighter in Day Glow, and this will again go on the high planes of my face. For my lips, I decided to go with this beautiful berry color from Root Cosmetics in Secret Essie. And finally, to lock in all my makeup and to make it long lasting, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray. To finish up this look, I went with soft curls and a low side bun. I think that complements this look so well. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, as always, don't forget to give me a like and comment below and let me know your thoughts. If you're not following me on social media, I have all the links in the description box below. Make sure you follow me there to see little snippets of how I make all the jewelry and costumes for my tutorials. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with another tutorial. Bye guys.